Hello, everybody. Okay, so this is the second video in the walkthrough for the Blue Screen of Death repro. We've installed Windows. As long as you're running Windows 1903, the latest build 0.175, you're probably good. The first video I did took about 22 minutes to install Windows from scratch. But if you're already running that most recent version, you're probably okay to move forward with the rest of the steps for the repro. So this next step is installing iRacing. And we're going to download it. I do copy my cars and tracks folder to a backup drive and then copy them so I don't have to download them from the internet. But I'll show you at least my process. So we just finished installing Windows 10. We're going to go to iRacing. Okay, so iRacing says the system is not in service. Indeed true, it's never been installed on this computer. Download the iRacing software. My routine for this is to save it to the downloads directory and then run the installers from there. Looking how long it's taking to get the 436 megabyte installer, waiting a long time for all of the cars and tracks. Okay, so the installer has downloaded folder and run the iRacing installer. So I'm not going to do any deviation from the defaults in any of this. It'll have us go through a bunch of the distribution libraries and stuff. Just going to do everything. Nice that the DirectX installer doesn't want to install the Bing search anymore, or whatever malware that was. I usually let the DirectX finish before I do the download these features for the .NET stuff. I don't know if that makes any difference. Here's what we get to install: easy anti-cheat. Okay, we've installed iRacing. Like I said, I copy my cars and tracks beforehand, so they're already on this hard drive. So it should be easy to cut them from there, go into the C drive, program files x86, iRacing, and paste them to here. So just for kicks, let's see, that was 25 gigabytes saved downloading from the internet. Okay, so we're going to return to the member site. Now iRacing tells us that there are updates required. But luckily, it'll be pretty lightweight as far as just being software and stuff. So I always do select all, even though there's nothing to see. Click download. Now this is only 127 megabyte update. Pretty quick. Okay, so the update is complete. Now it says that iRacing is up to date. So what I'm going to do is test. And the test that I've been doing, and I have no idea whether this is important or not, is the F3 at Montreal. If we test the car on the track, this is the first time we're running iRacing after installing it. We're going to do the auto configure. And then this is a deviation from the defaults. I'm going to run it in a window with a border. Because when I'm running for real, I'm using VR and it's got the mirror view on the desktop anyway. So for testing it, I like to have it in a window so I can see my other windows and stuff rather than running full screen. But this should load, no problem. Loads in. I usually let it sit for just a moment until the performance bars calm down and it's making the set default 84 frames per second. And then quit. No problem. Okay, so we've now done the second step of installing iRacing and running it for the first time to establish the configuration files and everything that iRacing needs. And it looks like that has taken us 9 minutes. So 20 minutes to install, or 22 minutes to install Windows, 9 minutes to install iRacing. Next up, we're going to do the Z1 dashboard software. So we'll start that as video number 3. Thanks for watching.